The most delicious herb-crusted rack of lamb. Perfectly pink and perfectly tender.
Top drawer stuff. Wow.
Start by adding 75 grams of panko breadcrumbs to a blender. Alongside this, you're going to throw in 15 grams of rosemary, 30 grams of sage, 10 grams of thyme, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 10 grams of dried oregano. Next, we're going to subscribe to the channel so we don't miss a recipe. Once you've subscribed and your herb crust looks like this, you're ready to prep the lamb. Take your trimmed lamb rack and cover well in olive oil. Season generously with salt, making sure that you get every part of that lamb. We're going to throw this into our pan on a medium to high heat, skin side down, to render some of that fat. Make sure you keep flipping that lamb and moving it around to get every edge. Once you've got a beautiful golden brown color on there, let the lamb rest for about 5 minutes and then give it a thin layer of Dijon mustard. This is to really make sure that herb crust sticks on there and doesn't just crumble away when it's baking in the oven. Dijon mustard on, sprinkle that herb crust all over, making sure you pat down to really solidify that herb crust. Just look at how beautiful that lamb looks. Lay it down on a tray with non-stick baking paper and then into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes for that perfectly pink lamb. If you like yours a little bit more well done, then leave it for about 25 to 30 minutes. The lamb is cooked, we're going to leave it to rest for around 10 to 15 minutes for those juices to redistribute. This is a crucial part, otherwise the lamb is just going to bleed out and all those beautiful juices, all that time you spent making this lamb perfect, has gone to waste. All that's left to do is slice into this amazing lamb and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend so you don't miss any of my recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.